Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am in Adopt Me with my friend Kat, and we are going to do a challenge to see who can get the new therapy dog first in Adopt Me. So Kat's already gone out and has been trying to get her pet sick, and I'm just going to be doing some of Evie's tasks. Okay, there's Kat over there. Alright. So we're here at school. That's one of my pet's tasks. I'm pretty sure Evie needs to eat or drink. Yeah. Okay, and she needs to sleep. Okay, let's see. She's done eating, so now let's go get her some rest. Come on, please, when one of the pets gets sick. I really have to win this challenge because I'm so close to winning already. Oh, there's Kat. Yes. Yeah. Yes, also. Yes, what's she gonna tell me? Hope it's nothing big. Because the winner of this challenge gets to pick something else out of the other person's inventory, is what I think she says. What do you mean? Whoever has less money will pay the other. What do you mean? What is your... Sure. Oh, I'm recording too. She doesn't know that I started shortly after she left. Okay. What to do next? I'm kind of bored. I don't have any more tasks because I did all of them for Evie. So, maybe while I wait for this task to pop up, I should spawn my house closer so that way I'll have a better chance of winning if my pet gets the hospital task. If my pet gets the hospital task, then I'll have a better chance of winning if I'm closer to the hospital. You know what? Actually, no. I have a better idea. The first person to get the therapy dog wins, right? And instead of going to the nursery, I should probably just grab a couple of healing apples. That would be a lot smarter. Like, a lot smarter. I've never thought of a better idea. And then I should probably, instead of getting a house closer to the hospital, just gonna spam click a bunch of apples. Spam click a bunch of golden apples. And then I'm going to grab a house close to the therapy dog center instead. That way, I have a way better chance of winning. Okay, so I've got the apples. Now, let's get out a vehicle that I can use to get closer to the place I am trying to... No! You can't be serious. You can't be serious. Somebody already has the plot. And the only one left is the one that's farthest away. Okay, the lights are off. I don't think tonight is going to be the night, so I'll come back. tomorrow morning and try. Alright, guys, so it's going to be morning very soon. I just finished doing the shower task. So now we are going to make our way over to our destination, which is the therapy dog area. And let's just hope that we can win the challenge. So first, I think I should just cut through the main center and hope that someone's pet gets sick and infects mine. Bruh, whoa. I turn away. Is that a real one? Because I don't know whether it is or not. Could be, could not be. I don't know. Is it real? I am trying to make a neon pink cat, by the way. Okay, this one's real. That's cool. It's been a while since I've seen an actual, like, real one that isn't in my inventory. Yes! Yes, my evil basilisk is sick! Yes, let's go! Yes, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Quick, 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 quick. Come on, eat it, eat it, eat it. Healed, 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 healed. Okay, cat. Cat's already there. Shit. No, why? I need to win this. Claim. Okay, 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 okay. There's cat, there's cat. I'ma beat you, I'ma beat you, I'ma beat you, I'ma beat you. Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I gotta win, I gotta win, I gotta win, I gotta win. Yes, I gotta win, I gotta win. Okay, okay, guys. No, I think she did it. Yes! Yes! I did it! Oh no, now we're confused. We both think we got it first. This is a funny, funny challenge. I don't know. Let's do another chat. Let's do another challenge. To determine. Okay, fine. I'll give her a pet. Let's see. What do I have that I want to give cats? I think I will give Cat something. I'm giving her something, I'm giving her something. I think I'll give her this. A leopard cat. There we go. Yeah. Okay, guys. Ah! No, I got yeeted. Okay. Thank you for watching today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!